Good morning, my dear student. Today we are starting coordinate geometry. That is a very important chapter. And to know about coordinate geometry, we first should know who, when, and why this coordinate system has started. Okay, so see, this is the person whose name is Rene Descartes. Rene Descartes. Okay, and this person has merged algebra and geometry. Geometry. René Descartes is a French mathematician and he merged these two branches of mathematics and formed one that is called coordinate geometry. Coordinate, coordinate geometry. See, this coordinate geometry has all the properties of the geometrical figure, means we are dealing all the geometrical figures in the form of algebraic calculations, in the form of algebraic calculation. The geometrical figures generally we talk about point, line, a set of lines, triangle, parallel lines, quadrilateral, square, rectangle, circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, general second degree curve, etc. So we discuss all the geometrical figure in form of algebra. So first, how this geometrical figure are dealt in the form of algebra. The very first point, we should know what is the graph and how a graph is formed, how a 2D, two-dimensional graph that can also be said Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. See, the name is Cartesian plane. Cart is the name of Rene Descartes. So that is why this cart is added for Cartesian plane, Cartesian point, Cartesian line, okay, Cartesian axis. So when we talk about anything Cartesian that relates to Rene Descartes honor, okay. So here this is the vertical line and it is known as y-axis. This is the horizontal line and this is known as x-axis. These lines are the real number line and these two lines intersect at the point 0. That point is termed as origin. Okay, 0, 0, x 0 and y 0. And you can start when you go from right, left to right, from origin to right, it is a positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you go left to the origin, it will be negative numbers like -1, -2, -3. If you go upward from the origin, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Downward from the origin, it is -1, -2, -3, and so on. So these four parts are called quadrant. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. So there are four quadrants formed by these two axes when these two lines, these two axes join or intersect at origin, and the plane is called Cartesian plane. This plane is called Cartesian plane. So see, we have to see here an ordered pair pxy. These two are the points number or coordinate associated with x-axis. The first is x-axis and the second is y-axis. Okay, and it works like a road number and house number. Suppose you have to reach my home, then I live in Indrapuri road number 15. The road number is 15 and house number is 4. So road number 15 means x-axis. You have to find the road number. Suppose you are getting here road number 15 and house number is 1 2 3 4. So there will be house number. Okay, so first we have to go and using the road number and second house number. So this ordered pair has the first point related to x-axis and the second point related to y-axis. The point on x-axis is also called abscissa, and the point on y-axis is called ordinate. Clear? Okay, now see. Suppose you have to plot a point that is 3, 4. So it means this 3 is the point on x-axis and this 4 is the point on y-axis. So first we have to take this point on the x-axis, and the line that passes through this 3 will reach to 4. So see here, 3 of x is this point and this line is moving upward as well as downward. So we go for negative numbers downward direction and for positive direction upward. So it is 1 2 3 and 4. So see, this number is 4 and this is the 3 4. So coordinate of 3 4 lies in the first quadrant, and this point can be said 3 3 4 here. See, one more thing, the first quadrant has x and y दोनों का साइन पॉजिटिव होगा, but in the second quadrant minus and plus. In the third quadrant x and y both will be negative, and in the fourth quadrant x will be positive and y will be negative. So in this way you can plot a point on the graph paper. Okay, so we will discuss in the next class later on.